Can you solve this problem here? If you can do that, please, I want you to pause the video, do it yourself, and come back and see your result. Okay, now I have 18 equals 9 to the power of x. Now for smooth workings, right, I would like us to put this one to the left hand side and write this. This is 9 to the power of x equals 18. It doesn't affect anything, right? So now, and you know that if I have 9 to the power of x, this 18 can also be written as 9 multiplied by 2, right? Good. So now from here, I have 9 to be the basis here, and I have 9 here. What I would like to do is that I would like to divide both sides by 9. I will divide both sides by 9. 9 to the power of x divided by 9 equals 9 multiplied by 2 divided by 9. So you see that 9, we cancel this 9 here. So we are left with 9 to the power of x over 9. And you know that ordinarily, here we are having power 1. 9 to the power of 1 is same thing as 9. So therefore, from the law of indices, whenever you are having the same basis being divided, their exponents are said to be subtracted. So this is going to be 9x minus 1 equals. Okay, then we have what we have 2 here. Now, let's continue. This 9 here, we can also express 9 in index form as 3 to the power of 2 multiplying x minus 1 equals 2. So now from there, so you can see that I'm going to be having this one to be 3 to the power of, these two we have to multiply it because they both are powers. So this 2 times x, we have 2x. Then 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2 equals what? Equals 2. So now, I know some of you will be thinking, what am I doing? Okay, you are doing the right thing. And at the end of the day, I'm still going to put the value of x we got. I'm going to put it in this equation for you to be able to see that the value of x we got is what is right. So it's correct. Now here, we are having the base now, simple looking. All right, so let's now introduce log. The log I'm going to be introducing now is log with respect to base 3. Because I have the 3 here, 3, 2x minus 2 equals log 3 this. So now you can see this, we cancel this. That's the reason why I introduced the logarithm with respect to 3. So we're going to have 2x left minus 2 equals. Now here I'm going to be having log base 3 2. So now from here, I will try to transpose this to the other side. Or better still, I can divide through by 2. If I divide through by 2, you see that I'm going to be having this by 2, this by 2, and everything here also by 2. So this we cancel this, we have x minus this, we cancel this, we have 1 equals. Now I can bring out 1 over 2 here, log base 3 2. So now from here I'm going to have x equals this one here. I will have to transpose it to this side because we are looking for the value of x. We want x to stand alone, 1. Okay, because it's minus, it will change to positive, then plus 1 over 2 log what? Base 3 2. So this is the solution, the value of x. Now let's see if we plug in this value back to this, are we going to have the same, is it going to satisfy this equation? Quickly, 18 equals, now here 9, the x I have is what? Is this 1 plus 1 over 2 log 3 is 2. How are we going to do now? You have to apply the knowledge of what? Of logarithm here. If you don't understand logarithm very well, you have problem here. You have to have 9. This is the power. This can be written as 9 to the power 1 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 over 2 log base 3 2. The reason why I have this, because when you apply the log of indices, you're going to have this back. It's going to be plus, because when two bases are being multiplied, this is what you're going to have. For the gurus, some of you like saying, what are you doing? You are talking too much. I'm talking too much because I want you guys to understand very well. Okay, it's not all by solving. You should understand. So we have 9. Now here 9 multiply here. This half that I have, do you think it can? Do you know that it can be like 9 1 log 3 over 2 raised to power 2, then 2. That is what? That is the power of the base. When you have the power of the base, we can take it back to this by taking the reciprocal of the power, and it's going to be 1 over 2. This is the 1 over 2 that we have it. But I want to take it back Okay, then it will becomes 2 here. That is why we have log of base 3 to the power of 2 equals to 2. Now, from there, you have 18 equals 9 multiplied by 9. Now, this is log 3 to the power of 2 is what? Is 9. Then 2. Whenever you have what? Whenever you have this, we have to cancel this because they are of the same. We have the base here and we have another base for the log. Whenever you have that, we have to cancel out this. You can see then you bring down this one. We have 9 multiplied by 2. So 18 equals 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Can't you see that we have what? We have our answer. The two sides are the same, right? So if you enjoyed the class, please kindly share this. You can see the checking alone is what? Is even more than the solving of the equation itself. But for you to be able to know that the right answer, the x we got is the right answer. Thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy your day. Bye-bye.